We're gonna do a song right now. That was the big video. Slave to the grind. I think it's time. Maryland. M3. Monkey business. too. That never gets old when somebody that I don't know comes up and says, I love you. Never gets old. Let's hear it for the band one time up here tonight. Now, I'm 57 years old. I'm sure a bunch of you guys are 57 years old. But, first album came out in 1989. And this guy came out of his mother's womb in 1989. Cruiser, what's your birthday, December? His birthday is December 29th, 1989. So he actually got to party for 3 days in the 80s. Let's hear it. You probably don't even remember those 3 days. That was like a fucking bender for you. Ladies and gentlemen, from Las Vegas, Nevada, my good friend, Mr. Bruiser, Brody DeRose. Wait a minute, Bruiser, I got a question for you.
What's up, dude?
Is this the first time you've ever played the M3 Rock Festival?
First fucking time, man.
What the fuck? Give him a round of applause! First fucking time, man. All right, on the bass guitar, we have He-Man, the Thundercats, Thunderbolts. All the way from Montevideo, Uruguay. Let's hear it for the only guy I've ever been in a band with that can sing like Sebastian Bach. It's a talented mother trucker up here right now. Let's hear it for my great friend, Fede Delfino. Wait a minute. Wait one cotton picking minute. Wait, can I say that still? No, I don't think I can. Is this the first time you've ever played the M3 Rock Festival?
You bet your fucking ass it is,
What the
dude!
hell? Let's
Hell
fucking
yeah!
hear it right here!
Hell yeah!
Alright. I don't know if you realize this, but tonight on the drums is my son, Paris Bach. And if he screws up this next song after the show, I'm gonna go make him mow the lawn. But if he does really good, I might give him a raise on his allowance. What do you think? I might send him to the tour bus with no dinner. Wah, 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 wah. These are the jokes, folks.